Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate how you can create your very own alphabet stickers using alphabet street dies by Paper Discovery. Normally, when I'm designing dies, I'm driven by the desire to bring beautiful things into the world of card making. But this particular set was different. Its creation was driven by the need. The matter is, I like using alphabet stickers, but there is one problem that you face each and every time. You run out of popular letters and then you cannot use the rest. So this is what my typical sticker sheet looks like. You see, all the useful letters are gone and you're only left with Z's and Q's and J's and G's, and I think everyone is familiar with this situation. This is exactly why I have created this product, and I'll be showing you exactly how to use it. It consists of 3 strips. One is with the useful letters that are several of each, then one with the rare letters, and the rest is numbers. And this set is meant to work with Xyron sticker maker machine. So the very first thing that we should do is to cut a strip of paper. I'm using pattern paper, but specialty paper will also do fine. I'm trimming it down to 1.5 inches minus just a hair, just like 1/16 of an inch, like that. And this width of the strip is perfect to fit into the machine. Then I'm going to do some die cutting. I'm placing the strip in the center of the plate. It's because the areas at the right and to the left of the machine are normally the ones with the stronger pressure, but in the center the pressure is weaker, and this is exactly what I need. The matter is, I want the die to cut through, but I want all the letters to stay in the strip and not fall out. So this little trick really helps. Just place the strip in the center and don't use any shims. Now the most important part, I'm lifting off the plate, then I'm carefully lifting off the die itself, but don't lift the strip of paper from the surface, otherwise some letters can fall out. So these are the letters, and now I'm going to use washi tape. You can use any other low-tech tape, and I'm just sticking it on top of the strip, and this way I can hold all the letters in their place. I'm pressing down the tape slightly to make sure all the letters are stuck, and now the strip is ready to be sent through the Xyron machine. So I'm placing it at the top, pulling it down from the bottom, and then tearing it off. Then I'm using the bone folder to rub the strip at the wrong side to make sure it's really stuck to the adhesive. I'm trimming off the rest, then I'm removing the liner, and now I can remove the washi tape. And here you have your alpha strip. Sometimes it might happen that some letters are stuck in the die, like this C here, and in this case you just have to place them back, and then you repeat the process by applying the washi tape on top of the strip. The rest of the process is absolutely the same. You just have to send it through the Xyron machine and remove the washi tape. And there we have the second strip ready. Sometimes when you're using thicker cardstock, especially the one that has some coating, the letters stay in place all by themselves, and this makes the task even easier to fulfill. Here I have made myself a set of golden alpha stickers. Using the stickers are very simple. They are just like regular ones. So here I have taped down a piece of paper, and I'm also going to secure the ruler to make my lines straight, and then I'm just peeling off the letters one by one and sticking them down onto the paper. Although the adhesive is quite strong, the letters are easy to detach from the strip, And also the adhesive is not hanging down from the letters, and they are all looking nice and neat. This set can totally be used without Xyron machine. You can simply die cut the letters and stick them down with liquid glue, or you can die cut them out of sticker paper. But this way it's just the most convenient and most time saving. And when you are running out of the popular letters, you simply make yourself another new strip. Problem solved. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. See you soon!